Hey everyone, I think that you don't need me to tell you this, but I think at 4 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning, extended hours in the morning, pre-market, don't trade without coffee. Don't do it. Don't do that mistake, because I made that mistake big time. And I'm regretting it big time. Like, the more I think about it, I just want to hit my head on the wall. But yeah. So let's talk about this real quick. Believe it or not, it says I have not drank any coffee yet. This is from a conversation from my Discord, just real quick. This was on June the 2nd. Then I said I bought first thing in the morning at 12.79, and then for some unknown reason in my brain, something clicked and I said sell it. It was so stupid. So I bought it at 12.79 and I sell it at 12.98. Like, that's not profit. That's stupid. That's just pure stupidity. Why would I do that? I don't know till this day why I did that. I thought the stock was going to fall. The ultimate rookie dumb mistake. If you really like the stock and you think the stock is going to go up anyways and it's a great company, who cares if you bought it at 12.79 and you think it's going to go down again a little bit? Just buy more, I guess, if you want, right? Just in case. You can never time the bottom, right? So pretty stupid. What am I saying? Well, Sentinel One. On June 2nd, I said, now this says 12:50 a.m., but it's actually Greek time. Greece 7 hours ahead. But I said that Sentinel One, ticker symbol S. I told everyone in my Patreon and Discord that it has fallen down 30% and so on. The stock went from $21 to $13.30. I'm gonna put a limit buy over $13. And then as it was going down, I realized that I can get it less, and I bought it at $12.79. So I was happy, and I told everybody on Discord, look, hey guys, it's going down and it's at $12.79. I'll buy it. And within a few minutes later, it goes to $12.98. And like I said, I don't know what happened in my brain. It was really early in the morning. I sold it like an idiot. Yes. By the way, Sentinel One, this is a thumbnail of the company I did 2 years ago. And Sentinel One right now is at $14.74. I mean, come on, this is stupid. I just had it a few days ago at $12.79. Now it's at $14.74, right? It's incredibly stupid. And the thing is why I'm making this video also is for another reason. Somebody told me that, you know what, when it was falling from 21 to going on that day on June 2nd, it was falling from 21 and it went down to 12.50, actually the lowest. Someone told me, don't rush to buy this. This is one of the worst cybersecurity companies out there. I'm not a cybersecurity expert, but I'll tell you some things in this video that prove, in my opinion, that this is not one of the worst cybersecurity companies out there. They're not. They're actually one of the best, and they will become one of the best, and the stock is going to go back to 21 at some point, and so on. So we'll get to that real quick. Real quick, though, gains from my members on Discord and plenty more. Can't fit them all on one screen. If you want to join my Discord, the link will be in the comment section below. Think about this, 2022, just from me, because if you join my Discord, you have access to my buy and sells, what I buy and what I sell ahead of time. I'll let you know right away when I will buy something at what price before I buy it, and when I'll sell and so on. So that's pretty cool. And then you also have access to over 900 traders that you can chat with, share ideas, learn how to trade, and news on the stock market. Now, I'm not making this up. The news, you'll literally get them first in my Discord before they show up in your broker app. There's plenty of times we have seen news in my Discord come in on the news channel that I have set up, automated news channel, and we would go over to the broker apps, any broker app, and the news would not be there until 10-15 minutes later, right? So you have plenty of time. That's pretty cool. Join my Discord if you want. The link will be in the comment section below. So Sentinel One Incorporation, I am going to tell you why I think this is not a bad stock. This is an amazing stock. Anyways, the company's extended detection and response data stack. This is it. This is the XDR, which is what it's called, this product. I think is one of the greatest things out there. This cybersecurity company is amazing, and it is proven that people like it and that it works. I'll show you in a little bit why. All right, so the company's extended detection and response XDR data stack that fuses together the data, access, control, and integration planes of endpoint protection platform, endpoint detection and response, cloud workload, what else? And IoT security into a centralized platform. So its Singularity XDR platform delivers an artificial intelligence powered autonomous threat prevention, detection, and response capabilities across an organization's endpoints. And we're truly, seriously, when we're talking about AI, because there's a lot of AI stocks, this is as real as AI stock as you can find. So Sentinel One is a company with great potential, with stunning potential, currently trading at a great valuation. You know, when it went public as an IPO, which like I said, I have done an IPO review over 2 years ago. You can watch that. The company opened to the public at an expensive price. The day it opened and started trading, I remember telling people that this is expensive. It's overvalued, which is classic. That's what they do when they bring IPOs. Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley's, and all of them, Bank of America. When they bring us IPOs, they bring them way overvalued because they want to make money. They're salesmen. They want to pitch us some great story, give it to us at an expensive price, they make money, and so on. So if you wait, at some point, it's going to come down to a fair valuation. And when it goes down to a fair valuation, who can't resist? Not even institutional investors. Likely, just like this stock, when it went down to $12.50 on June 2nd, that was a good price. That was a good price. Everyone acknowledged that. Me for a little bit, and the stock went to 14 something now, right? So the flagship Singularity XDR product is industry leading, and I'll explain also later why it is. And the company simply needs to improve the cost structure. But this is why this is a proven cybersecurity company, a proven product that works and people like it. Look what the company said. We pioneered the world's first purpose-built AI-powered Singularity platform to make cybersecurity defense truly autonomous from the endpoint and beyond. Our Singularity platform instantly defends against cyber attacks, performing a faster speed, greater scale, higher accuracy than otherwise possible from a human-powered approach. With a 98% satisfaction rate, the flagship product has grown the company's revenue at a very meaningful clip since its IPO, and you can see that here on this chart. And you know what? People like it. The customers like it. If they didn't, since 2 years ago when it IPO'd, we would have had worse financials. But when we're looking at the revenue growth of the company, tell me one company, all right? Give me one company that in the past 3 years, right? Past 4 years, this company has had over 100% revenue growth each of the past 4 years, which is insane. Yes, there's plenty of companies with great revenue growth, right? AMRC, great company, which has nothing to do with cybersecurity anyways. But 100% revenue growth, guys, each year, that's pretty hard to find. Does that mean that that's what makes a stock a buyable stock? No, obviously. There's more things you got to look at, right? And we can look at that stuff. We can look at the cash growth. It got worse. We could look at the total. Let's look at total liabilities. That got worse, right? And we could look at net income. That got worse. So with that, that's the things that they need to improve on. But that's also the reason why the stock ended up 2 years later to be at $12.50, because this needs to be worked on. But $12.50 is a fair price in my opinion, because like I said, 100% revenue growth each year. That means that their product XDR is a proven product. It is liked by people, and this company can only just explode in the future because all they have to do is work on that cost structure, work on their finance a little bit. I am very bullish on this stock, guys, and this is just my opinion. That does not mean that you should buy it. Being bullish on a stock is just my opinion, right? We're all bullish on something, and at some point in life, we end up realizing that we shouldn't have been bullish on it. We should have been bearish or stay away from it. But I like this one, to be honest. I really do. All right, so the flagship product, guys, is industry leading. It's all about artificial intelligence. It works. It generates revenue for the company. Customers are happy. The revenue is growing. And you know what? It's a tech stock. So many tech stocks, take time to reach profitability. So like I said, it's an industry-leading product. All they need to improve is the cost structure, and Sentinel One within the next 2 to 3 years should be trading a lot higher than the current price. Now, all I need is please go back to $12.79 so I can get back in, and this time I'll have coffee already at hand, and I won't make that stupid mistake. Thank you very much, everyone. Take care.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.